Hello guys! Today I'm going to make a Huggy Wuggy costume. So stay tuned with me and watch the full tutorial how I made this beautiful costume for kids. So you can see the beautiful face I made with crepe paper and cardboard. So I'm using old cardboard of my Humpty Dumpty. So you need to cut the hands shape and the legs shape. Take a cardboard and cut the legs shape and keep cutting. And now let's cut the hands. The Huggy Wuggy have long hands, so you can also make as long as hands you want. So now let's make the shape of the body. Keep cutting. I'm not adding any background music in this video because we get copyright issues, so I'm using my own voice, so there will be no issue. Keep cutting the hands and the shape of the waist of the Huggy Wuggy costume. You can see I'm using a milk carton cardboard, and keep cutting the shoulder shape. It's up to you if you want to make it more longer or bigger. Huggy Wuggy, I'm making this costume for my daughter, so I'm making it a little bit smaller and little cute. Huggy Wuggy. So take a blue crepe paper and cut it in half and make strips with it. As you can see, I'm cutting it with scissors and make strips. Keep cutting. And now you can separate the layers of this crepe paper and paste it on your costume. I'm applying glue, German glue. You can take any glue you want, and I'm applying with my fingers because it was more easy for me to apply rather than taking any brush or any other tool. So now you need to apply all the blue strips of crepe paper on your cardboard body shape. Keep applying your strips, and you can see I'm applying all the strips together, and you have to fill all the white part of this area because your the costume is blue, so you need to fill it with blue crepe paper and blue strips. Keep filling, keep pasting the strips of crepe paper, and you need to move the strips upside so that it will give you a curly look, because Huggy Wuggy have curly frill kind of texture on his body. So give it a curly and very hairy look so that your costume will look very beautiful and real looking Huggy Wuggy. Okay. So now you need to paste the crepe paper strips on the hands as well. The same way you will take out separate strips of the crepe paper and paste it. Okay guys, now I will make the face shape of the Huggy Wuggy costume. Take two cardboard strips and cut the Huggy Wuggy face shape. You can see I will show you how to draw the face shape. You can see this is the Huggy Wuggy face shape. Now you need to cut it and put all the remaining blue crepe paper strips on your costume face. Apply glue and paste all the blue strips on the face and move them upward so that it will give a hairy look. It will look a very nice hairy look to your costume. If you use crepe paper, it's very easy to give it a hairy look. If you use any other paper, you can also cut that paper, but it was my own idea to use the crepe paper because I wanted to give it a soft hairy look. so I used crepe paper. Now you need to fill the full face with all the blue strips. Now your face is complete blue hairy face. Now you need to make eyes with white chart paper and black eyes with paper too, and keep pasting the eyes. Now we will make the lips of the Huggy Wuggy with red chart paper, hard chart paper you can say. I have used hard chart paper, and I will also mention my things in the description box, in the description section, the stationery which I used for this costume. You can see I'm cutting the lips shape of Huggy Wuggy. Now you need to make teeth of Huggy Wuggy, and in all the pictures Huggy Wuggy have long sharp teeth, so you need to take a white cardboard and you can make any teeth shape you want, and now attach all the teeth with the lips, because I have seen maximum pictures with mouth open and the teeth are always visible in this costume. So you need to make teeth white sharp teeth. Keep pasting teeth with the lips and mouth, and you have to attach this mouth with black base chart paper. So attach it, and now paste it on the face. After pasting in it black base, let's paste it on the face like this. Now let's make hands and feet, which are very easy. Huggy Wuggy hands and feet are almost same. You need to just draw cut the thumb and the face shape, and it's very easy. Cut it like this and attach it through the hot glue. Let's make feet. You can see I'm cutting feet and they are very big feet. Now let's attach it with the costume like this, and you're almost done. Your costume is almost done. You can see this costume is looking very hairy and very fluffy kind of costume for kids, and my daughter loved this costume because it looks like a real monster. And it's done. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more amazing crafts and activities for kids. Bye.